Well, guys, just got back from buying a set of TSL Super Swamper radial TSL Super Swampers for $400. They're on Chevy rims, so I have to fix that, but I think they'll work good. 31 1050 15 is what I got, so it should work good on that truck. How bad were they? How? I don't know. Alright, for you guys out there that want to make fun of my little Harbor Freight Chicago electric welder, I don't know, it'll do pretty darn good on some 1/4-inch plate. It might be 3/16 or something. Burner nice and hot. I'll tell you is this: I have all of the paint smoked off of the back side. You can see my heat distortion up here about a ½ inch away, so she's pretty hot as I laid her in there. So I got this plate back in and welded, and this will prevent stuff from being able to get down in from the top, and that'll help a lot. And I welded up this hole here right at the end of the seam too, so I think that'll help. It's the only thing I got left to weld, and luckily all the lines and everything are on that side, so I don't have to worry about that. So I made welding this side easy. I'm going to inspect quite a few other things here, and I'm debating about welding this here. This really isn't important. This is only one of the 4 of these this truck had on here. I think they had like a camper or something they kept in the truck bed or something, and they had like camper jacks on the back, and they level it at the campground or something. But nah, that's just speculation. But it's the only one I got left on this plate. So yeah, I'm gonna look this thing over, and I'm gonna start taking a wire wheel to it. Anything that peels off, and I have a little bit of black spray paint. I think I'm just gonna Rust-Oleum gloss black the frame. I think that's my, as of right now, that is my theory. Because if I spray paint it, then I can blow it in places where you can't reach with a brush. So that's my theory, and that's what I'm up to right now. I'm done welding here. I have to go down and weld on the bottom of the exhaust. Oh, goody joy. Alrighty, guys, so other than running out of black paint, it's starting to look pretty good. I only had a 1/4 of one gloss black Rust-Oleum can left, so but I wanted to hit this place up here where I welded it, that way it wouldn't have a chance to flash rust again. And then I'll go back here and wire wheel some stuff, and I'll peel all the wires and lines and stuff away from the other frame rail, and wire brush it pretty good, and I'll do that another night once I actually have some paint. Don't have any more, so kind of done where I'm at. The other thing I screwed up on already is I should have wrapped these shocks. You can see I already got this one. Son of a beach. Pretty fresh. I might be able to get a rag and wipe it off now, so be back in a bit. Alrighty, so I got the frame painted pretty much. I'm sure there'll be little spots I missed that'll drive me nuts, and I'll have to touch up again, but it's just black Rust-Oleum, so not too bad. I think I got the most of it. Obviously I had the tips off, but the shocks I'll have to come back in and spray with some carb cleaners and brake cleaner, and then wipe them off or something. Should take that off, but oh, it looks fairly decent. Won't say I didn't paint over some dirt and maybe a little bit of grease in some spots, but 20 feet, 20 miles an hour, it will look fairly clean. So, gonna be it for this one, guys. Later. Put it away for the night, maybe go cut some grass. Yep. Alright, try and make videos as I do them, because otherwise I'll forget. But I've bedlined the bottom of this. It's a Creole truck bed coating, something along them lines. and it's spray balm. So I don't know how good it's going to be, but for the bottom of the bed, I think it's going to be okay. Now, if you lay it on in a whole bunch of coats, so you can fill in the seams, but it has to be like one light coat and like 3, like just try and fill them up, sort of coats. But yeah, it's looking all right, and I did about everything I could think of. You can see, mainly keep it from rusting and help kind of seal it the best I can. And I did the same thing over here. I ran up and down real heavy, try and seal this whole big long seam. So it'll be whatever it's going to be. I still got 3 more cans of that, so if I see spots I missed, which I don't know, it looks kind of thin right there to me. Don't it look thin right there to you guys? Maybe. Actually, it looks worse on camera than it is in person. Looks like a bunch of dust got blue in it. That's what happened, but so be it. Okay, I'm going in for lunch. It's probably, or lunch, yeah, dinner. It's almost 6 o'clock. Later, guys. I'll show you guys what I was using. This is Wally World. It was basically $7 a can. Creole Automotive truck bed coating. Herbal. Quick drying, which is good. Extends truck bed life. The only thing I saw on it somewhere when I read it was basically don't apply in direct sunlight. So I had to wait till evening, like now, when the sun is setting in the west. And obviously now I can't do the top of the truck bed, but I don't think I'm going to use that on the top, just because I'd have to do like 97 coats where I wanted to seal it real good. So I think I'm gonna get Herculiner and just roll it on here, and maybe I'll get my shop vac and shop vac the dirt and shit out of the bottom. I don't know. I think because basically I'm only doing up as high as I've welded around. I'm not gonna do the whole thing, and that plastic bed liner, I think I'm gonna put it back in. I don't know. I might even touch this up with a grinder yet. Hard to say. All right, later, guys. Videotape this just in case things get south. Touch up there with the chain drag. put it back on the patio. Take it back up a second. Alright, I'm done. I'm gonna go put the backhoe and my other tractors away and catch everybody on the next one. Yahar! Need them rims, yo. Mm-hmm.